Okay, so let's go ahead and zoom in here. So the first thing I want to do here is just do a copy paste on my previous project. So let's copy the O5 inheritance project and let's paste it here and we'll give it a new name. And the new name that we'll give this project, we'll call it O6 Abstract Classes. Okay, so let's do some quick housekeeping here. So the two files here, driver.js and driver.ts, I want to delete these two files because I'll simply use my array version later on. So let's go ahead and delete driver.js and driver.ts. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up shape.ts. And I want to mark this class as being abstract, so I simply use the abstract keyword. All right, and so down at the bottom, I'm going to add an abstract method. So calculate area, and notice here there's no implementation, there's no body, because we'll actually get the implementation from the concrete subclasses. So one thing is if I move back to the array driver.ts, then we'll actually see an error, and it'll tell us, hey, cannot create an instance of an abstract class. And we know that, right? We're aware of that. So I'll actually remove this line of code here. So I'll remove my shape, and I'll also do a similar thing here on adding it to the array, remove that item because we can't create an instance of an abstract class. I'll move into rectangle.ts, and so there's another error here, and if we kind of float over it, it says this non-abstract class does not implement the inherited abstract member calculate area. All right, cool. So that means I need to write the code for calculate area. And what I can do here is actually make use of the quick fix. All right, so this is the little tip that I told you about earlier. We can do a quick fix and we can implement the inherited abstract class. And it'll give me the method here, calculate area. Cool, I like it. So now I'll simply remove the placeholder code and I'll implement the calculate area method. So the area of a rectangle, right, is width times length. And then we have a similar issue here in circle.ts, right? We haven't implemented the abstract method. I'll do the similar trick here of implement the inherited abstract class. And I'll just update the code here. And so this is math.py times math.power, radius, comma 2. So radius squared. And remember, this math is a built-in object that has the properties and methods for mathematical constants and functions. So that's our pi r squared. Okay, that's great. So this looks pretty good over here on our array driver. And I'll add some code here to calculate area. I'll also do a console.log on just a new line. And again, I could have used a \n, but here, just keeping it simple for now. And now moving into my terminal. Make sure I move into the correct directory, O6 abstract classes. Compile, run. And the first output here is for our array of circle, so pi r squared. And then the second one is here's the area of rectangle, width times length. All right, so this looks good. So we were able to set up an example here using abstract classes. Good job.